ulitin, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Nakaka-proud at multitasking ang ating bunsong si Justin at si Amoke na si Philip Suzon. Dahil sila nga ang designer at stylist ng Sonara, ng first ever girl group ng 1Z Entertainment. Hito nga, tudo trabaho sila, tudo kayod para sa kanilang girl group na Sonara. Nakaka-proud talaga dahil they're doing this for the better one girl group ng 1Z Entertainment. And for the better result, hindi na kailangan mag-hire ng stylist at designer para sa Sonara dahil sila mismo ang member ng SB19 na si Justin at Ken ang nag-design at nag-style ng ating Sonara girl group.
Nasa bag ko lang ako.
Hindi ako nagkaroon.
Nakakabalik.
Sa look nyo is something na parang we think can specifically na ito yung magiging next fashion trend.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.